Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
The Internet of Things, IoT, is completely enmeshed in our daily lives, a network of connected laptops, phones, cars, fitness trackers, even smart toasters and refrigerators, that are increasingly able to make decisions on their own. But how to ensure that these devices benefit us, rather than exploit us or put us at risk? Instead of focusing on a single desirable outcome, sustainability, say, or profit, the impact universe allows us to see that some outcomes will come at the cost of others. The model reflects the messiness of real life and how we make decisions, says Berman, but it brings clarity to that messiness so that decision-makers can see and debate the trade-offs and benefits of different social controls to regulate technology. The framework allows decision-makers to be more deliberate in their policy making and to better focus on the common good. The ultimate goal of PIT is to develop the knowledge and critical thinking needed to create a society capable of effectively managing the digital ecosystem that powers our daily lives. The real world is complex and there are always competing priorities, says Berman. Tackling this complexity head-on by taking the universe of potential technology impacts into account is critical if we want digital technologies to serve society rather than overwhelm it. Special promotion: explore the latest scientific research on sleep and dreams in this free online course from Note. Content may be edited for style and length. Journal reference: Francine Berman, Amelia Cabrera, Ali Jabari, Wasim Marakchi. The Impact Universe, a framework for prioritizing the public interest in the Internet of Things. Patterns, 2022. 3, 1, 100398 doi, 10. 1016 J, Patter. 2021. 100398 Cite this page, University of Massachusetts Amherst. How to make sure digital technology works for the public good. A new framework helps prioritize the public interest in the Internet of Things. Science Daily. Science Daily, the 14th of January 2022. ift.tt/3-2. University of Massachusetts Amherst. 2022, January 14th. How to make sure digital technology works for the public good. A new framework helps prioritize the public interest in the Internet of Things. Science Daily. Retrieved January 16, 2022 from ift.tt/3-2 University of Massachusetts Amherst. How to make sure digital technology works for the public good. A new framework helps prioritize the public interest in the Internet of Things. Science Daily. https://ift.tt3taijs2, access January 16, 2022. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.